How to change Netflix payment method. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can change Netflix payment method. In order to make changes with your Netflix payment method, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. In order to change your Netflix payment method, you'll not be able to do it from your application. You'll need to open up a web browser and log in from your web browser. So then on the web address bar, type in netflix.com and make sure that you're already logged into your account. So after you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page. Once you're on this page, go ahead and click on the upper left corner tab bar icon. After you click on it, a drop down menu appears. From the list, you need to go ahead and click on accounts. So after that, it's going to direct you to the account information page. Right on this page, in order to make changes with your billing rate, you need to go ahead and scroll down a bit, and underneath your credit card details you'll be able to see manage payment info. Click on it. As soon as you've done that, on the other interface, go ahead and tap on add payment method. So next page, you'll need to select whether you want to add a credit card or internet banking such as PayPal, Google Pay, UPI and all that. After you're done selecting your debit card, you'll need to head back to the same page or the home page, and once you've set two payment method, you'll need to remove the first, which is set as default, and after that you can just replace it with the newly added debit card or credit card information. So in this way you can make changes with your payment method in Netflix. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.